you through. So what you have to do is, first you have to log in with whatever ID you have, right? Let's take some sample student. Let's say I just recently created, so you can change this password first. So some student from suppose IIT or NEET, they log in, okay? Then you have to go to self-assessment, okay? Then you will see set of homeworks. So for you can select different subject or choose type as IIT NEET, whatever it is for you. Maybe it's IIT, it can be NEET, and choose your corresponding. So then for that particular subject you will get many exercises. So exercise 1 is suppose for IIT in there are like completely 4 exercises, and even few exercises are divided into parts. Similarly for NEET there will be 3 exercises. So all the question in your module you have to first solve and mark there. Then you have to come here, okay, and then you have to take your attempt. So it will depend on internet speed, because this has lots of questions, okay? So you will see questions, okay? So you have to mark your answers to see. So whatever questions you have already solved, you have to just mark your answer. Suppose let me go and submit first question, some answer. I will re-update you Abhinav, so this will not be your wrong answer. So you mark B answer. Similarly you can mark whatever 4-5 question you have solved, and then you go and submit, okay? This question is submitted and the question was not right. So once you go again, you will see that what was the right answer. Just a minute. So basically in this way you have to submit all your questions before the class, and also for questions which you have doubt, you have to mark doubt, else those questions will not get discussed in the class, okay? There is some internet issue with my system. Okay, let's try to. Okay, first let me go again. So let me try again. So yeah, your internet should be good. So again I already submitted one question. Let's see. So that question was wrong and the answer was D and it was B. So right now here as it is, you have to do a marked out. If you want that question to be discussed, you can do marked out. Then there is also a button called check solution. When you click this, you will see solutions, but this you will only see solutions when it is opened by the teacher. So after module discussion, teacher will open the solutions for this particular module, and after that if you go and try to see check solution, you can see solutions. Let's see if I just click check solution in this scenario. Okay, so that is already opened for solutions, so you can see the solution is also visible, okay? So what are the steps? You go and do all your assessment, mark your answers, check your answers, and if you are not satisfied with your answers, marked out, okay? And later on you can also see solutions. So don't forget to mark out. If you don't marked out, those questions will not get discussed. Only questions which are highest marked out will be discussed in order. So one question which has like 8 doubts will be discussed first, and others will be discussed later. There is also one important feature for your future. If there is any notes you learned from this particular question, you can write here and submit. What it will happen is you can create a printout out of all your mistakes, and for your like future revision it will be easy. And anyway, this is a additional feature. I guess it's very important. You can like all the questions you can just enter your notes for only for those questions which you made mistake, and you can create a PDF from that and attach it in your notes copy, okay? So this is another feature. But as I told, just marked out is very compulsory, and marking all your answers here is compulsory, okay? Rest is easy. I mean you can see how much marks you scored right here, and then you can also actually see which questions were easy, tough, right? And again so basically we get this doubt count. Based on this doubt count, we are going to do any kind of discussions. Okay, so that's it. So please complete your homeworks for next week. You can also like kind of see like which kind of questions most students are struggling with. Okay, so based on, even for our discussion classes, we go through this list of struggle questions, like questions which are hard for students, and then we first discuss hard questions, then medium to questions, and also the doubt and the question which has highest doubt count. So basically we will go through one order, and if you are not following that order, we will not be discussing those questions. Other thing is, if you are having some questions from like outside some other books, some other test series, something others, you can we can also discuss that also. But the protocol is by night 10 to 11 p.m. you have to send that question on the group, because if other students are not attempting that question, we are not going to discuss those questions in class. Okay, so for any other external questions or like anything extra you are solving, you have doubts, just send on the group so teacher can see and students can see all those and so attempt that before having a discussion in the class. Okay, that's it. Thank you. And one more important thing I think I missed is you can take self test also. We'll update this later on. Okay.